Roadmap to become a product manager. What does a product manager do? A product manager defines product vision, plans features, and works with teams to build products that solve user problems. Where it's used, product management is used in tech companies, startups, and businesses building digital products and services. Start with the basics. Understand the role of a product manager and how products are built and managed. Learn market research. Learn how to identify user needs through research, surveys, and feedback. Understand product strategy. Learn how to define product goals, roadmaps, and prioritize features. Work with teams. Collaborate with developers, designers, and stakeholders to build products. Learn data and metrics. Understand KPIs, user behavior, and how to make data-driven decisions. Manage product delivery. Learn how to plan, launch, and improve products continuously. Use product tools. Work with tools like Jira, Notion, or Trello for planning and tracking. Build real projects. Create case studies or work on real product ideas to gain experience. Be ready for challenges. Managing priorities, stakeholders, and uncertainty can be challenging. Think like a product manager. Focus on user needs, business goals, and problem solving. Build impactful products. Start your journey today and become a product manager shaping real-world solutions.